Hey everyone, it's Ed from RU Cars. Today we've got this 2014 Kia Soul. It's a 1.6 CRDi automatic and it's the shaker spec. It's finished in cherry black with a houndstooth interior and it's done just 29,000 miles. It's got 8 services with it, comes with a new MOT, 3-month warranty, all within the price. It is a facelift car, as you can see. It's got the 18-inch shaker alloys, which are all in nice condition. And it's as clean as a whistle. Very straight down the sides. You've got your privacy glass to the rear, facelift rear lights, parking camera, bit of discoloration to the Kia badge there, but that is what it is. Other than that, the car is spotless. Look at that. Cherry black's a great colour. When the sun hits it, it does have a deep red fleck in it. Very nice car. Of course it drives without fault, as you would expect with this sort of mileage. And we'll show you inside. Oh, Vanita's not put that back together, but you can see we've got the load cover, your mats, and the storage under the boot there. All very clean, no funny smells or anything like that, no signs of dog. Inside, as I mentioned, we've got the houndstooth interior, which is unique to the shaker, and it is an optional extra. The seats are all in lovely condition, and they do have Isofix in the back, as well as rear electric windows. Same in the front, very good condition, all very clean. Got your facelift steering wheel there with your cruise control, Bluetooth and audio controls. Electric windows, mirrors and folding mirrors. Aircon, which is icy cold, CD MP3 player with Bluetooth and auxiliary USB input down there. Your switch gears all really nice in the centre. Bit of wear to the gear gaiter. They're only cloth, they do wear quite a lot. Auto dipping rear view mirror, and most importantly, glass sunroof. You'll be hard pushed to find another one of these with a sunroof. But let's just start the car up, show you there's no warnings or anything untoward. And there you have it. It starts without fault, no warnings. It is cold. So there you go. Bit of storage up the top here. Got your handbooks in the glove box. Icy cold aircon, as I've touched on already, with your AM, FM radio, with media inputs and phone controls, and that really is it. Really nice Soul, this one. We sell a few of these, they're great news, we love them. Get in touch, give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive, and if you do require finance, we can assist with that. We work with a number of brokers to find you the best deal possible. Thanks for watching.